Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. So today we are going to learn about the package.json. Why a Node project requires a package.json. So let's have a clear brief lookout of the package.json file. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So whenever we have a Node project, what we have to do? First of all, I'm going to create a new project, Node.js. Okay, cd Node.js, right? And in this, I'm going to write a command npm init py. Okay, so what it will do? It will create a packet.json file. If I go and check this one, here you can see that this packet.json file, okay, with name, version, description, main, scripts, keywords, author, and the license. What exactly the each field describes. So we are going to discuss in that one. So first part is the name. What the name belongs to. Name is basically the unique name of your package and should be always in the lowercase. What the project is all about. Okay. So you can mention it, so it always should be a lowercase. Okay, and my name must be less than or equal to 214 characters. The name can't be start with the dot or underscore. New packages must not be have uppercase letters in the name. Okay, this is the name part. Next we have the versions. You can see that we have a version. So version of the application, the version should be follow the semantic version rules. Okay, next we have a description, so you can write a long description what is all about the project. It's a REST API, it's a traveling project, it's an e-commerce project, so you can mention it. Main, which is the entry point of your Node project, of any of the project, that is called the index.js. Then we have a scripts. Scripts is very important. Okay, so if you heard about that, npm run build, npm run start, npm run dev. Okay, if you think about this, so where it comes from, how I can know which is the command to start the project, so it all comes under this script section, right? If you want to run, like if I make a command, my custom command I want to make, like I want to make a test command, like if I go and just write here. Okay, so this is my you can see that dev. Okay, and the entry point is here I can say node. So here I can say node main.js. If I'm going to add this command, right? So how I am going to run this one? npm run dev, it will run the main file. Let's have a look on that. So first of all, I need to install some of the package. So I'm going to install npm I alerts. Okay. So I'm installing this package. Now you can see that when I try to install this package, to install, you can see that package.lock.json is added when I install the package. Dependencies are added because colors we have added, right? In the package.json, you can see that. Okay, and non modules is there. I'm going to create a new file over here, which is main.js, and write some of the code console.log. Okay, so here I'm going to add the console.log and here hello world, right? And I'm going to run with the command here, which is dev. So the way is, there are two ways. Okay, so we have written out npm run script dev. If I'm going to run this command, npm run script dev. Okay, so here you can see that hello world. Okay, another way, this is the one way where you can make your own commands. Npm run production, npm run start, npm run dev, any way you want to write. Okay, another way is node main.js I can write. This is also the simple way. So this is the way of starting the project. Okay, so you can, in the script section, you can write the way to start a project and run accordingly, right? If you want to run the production server, you can add the production. You can run the development environment, you can run the development testing environment. You can also add the different scripts over here, right? Next we have a keywords is the array. Okay, so here you can write all about your project, whether it's the e-commerce, any of the detailing part, you can add the keywords over here so that anyone can search, you can come up with this one keywords, right? Then we have an author. So which author we have, its email you can provide, the name you can provide, license you can say the is, there are different type of license they have to you can, this is the license part, right? Dependencies, we have discussed that whatever modules you are going to install here, all the modules are going to commit over here, right? So this is all the dependencies that come into over here. When you have added the dev dependencies, that will come under the development dependencies part, right? Let's go and understand the step by step part. So here, so we have the, this part is done, we have a script path, okay, main, that is the entry point of your project, of your package. Keywords, we have the arrow of keyword which describes your package, this will be help people to find your package. Dev dependencies are there, these are the dependencies that only intended for the development and the testing when we have the dev dependencies. So let's have a look of the dev dependencies part, right? So here we have Google. So dev dependencies, so I'm going to add npm colors. So if I go and just copy this and have, I'm going to add it like this, hyphen save. So what you can think that color part is there. There are other methods how they can do with the save dependencies, okay? They are another way that you can, whether you want to as a dev dependencies, so you can also add it as a dev dependencies also. So what is the difference between both of them? Dev dependencies are only intended for the development and the testing of your module, okay? These, the dependencies will be installed automatically unless the node environment is production environment variable has been set. If this is the case, you can still these packages using npm install dev. If you want to install the dependencies, you can use to have the dev dependencies, right? Next, sometimes we have the repository with like github repository or something like that, so it will come under depository, right? Then we have a bugs, so with where you want to report that bugs, okay, with that particular repository, so it will come under the bug section, okay? So we have a clarified that the what the packet that what about the packet.json, why it's the heart of your any of the node.js projects. If it is deleted, then what happens, it will never going to start your project, because packet.json contain all the versioning of your node packages. Suppose current version you can say the 1.4.0, and in the later stages you want to run this project. If the package.json is not there, then and the dev dependencies are not there, then it will install the latest package which is not compatible with your project. So this is the reason package.json is very very important, okay? So any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.